Hello guys, once again welcome to KV Dreamers Academy. I hope apunar preparation bhal choli ase and you are preparing for your dream job. This is the new video of the 5-minute short series and it is the part 9. In this part we will discuss the census of India 2011, one of the most evergreen topic. Hoday apunar 2011 census or pora different examot bahut question hude aru previous ADR to apunar 2011 census or pora question hudisile. So in this 5-minute short series, we discuss all the topics that has been asked in the Assam Direct Recruitment and different Assam competitive exams just in 5 minutes so that you can revise before exam. Let us start with the video. So in this census of 2011, প্রথমতে আমি discuss কৰিম about the population. So state with highest population যদি আপোনাক সোধে UP will be your correct answer. State with the lowest population Sikkim will be your answer. Union territory with highest population Delhi. Union territory with lowest population Lakshadweep. Highest population district Thane and lowest population district is Dibang Valley. So Thane is in Maharashtra and Dibang Valley is in Arunachal Pradesh. Next, most populated city in India, Mumbai. Least populated city in India, Kapurthala of Punjab. State with highest population density, Bihar. State with lowest population density, Arunachal Pradesh. Union territory with highest population density, Delhi. Union territory with lowest population density is Andaman and Nicobar. Next, ami sex ratio কোনটো ষ্টেটৰ বা ইউটিৰ কি আছিলে আমি চাম এখন স্লাইডত so state with highest sex ratio is Kerala 1084 females per 1000 male. State with lowest sex ratio it is Haryana 877 females per 1000 males. Etu data apuni monot thobo mane apunak hoday hude data kon, so one of the most important data apunar exam karone. এপ্ৰক্সলি আপুনি যদি মনত থব তেতিয়া হৈ যাব বিকজ অপচনছ বহুত মানে দূৰত থাকে এনেকুৱা নহব যে আপোনাক 877 ৰ পিছত 878 দিছে আপোনাৰ মানে এটা গেপ থাকে অপচনৰ মাজত ইউনিয়ন টেৰিটৰী হাইয়েষ্ট সেক্স ৰেশিও so Pondicherry 137 females per 1000 males. Union territory lowest sex ratio so Daman and Diu 618 females per 1000 males. Next, state with highest literacy rate. So highest literacy rate কোনখন ষ্টেটৰ হয় আপোনাৰ so the correct answer will be Kerala 93.91 to 94% approx apuni monot thobo. State with lowest literacy rate Bihar 61.8%. Union territory highest literacy rate Lakshadweep 92.28. Union with lowest literacy rate Dadra and Nagar Haveli 77.24. Comparing all state and units decadal population মানে সদায় 10 বছৰত আপোনাৰ যোনটো গ্ৰোথ ৰেট হয় দাদৰ নাগৰ হাভেলীৰ আছে 55.50%. Comparing all state and UT lowest decadal population growth rate আপোনাক সুধিলে নাগালেণ্ড আপোনাৰ correct answer হ'ব. Next, state with maximum SC population so it is Uttar Pradesh. ST population যদি আপোনাক সুধে so Madhya Pradesh. UT maximum SC population আপোনাৰ Delhi hobo and maximum ST population Lakshadweep. District with highest proportion of scheduled tribes proportional kotha আপোনাক সুধিব যদি district ক্ষেত্ৰত Sarchip will be correct answer of Mizoram 98.1%. District with lowest proportion of scheduled caste Hathras UP 0.01%. State has zero scheduled tribe so it is Punjab. Next, state with maximum ST population in terms of percentage jodi apunak khudibo apunar answer kon change hoy jabo so apuni confused no hobo. Mizoram 94.5% aru lowest ST population jodi hude Goa 0.04%. UT with highest proportion of scheduled tribe Lakshadweep 94.5% and UT with lowest proportion of scheduled tribe yat apunak proportioner kotha hodise so lowest tot apunar hoy jabo Andaman and Nicobar 8.3%. Highest fertility rate jodi apunak kode Bihar Biharor sobotke highest fertility rate asile 2011 census tar pisot smallest state in India geographically it is Goa. Area wise jodi largest state apunak kode so Rajasthan tar pisot Madhya Pradesh Maharashtra and then UP. Next apunar ekhon jiman questions ase recently apunar 2021 census pora questions hudise so recent exam questions etia ami discuss korim So recent examiner question will be one of the most important for your examination in both ADR and Assam Police. The slogan of Census 2011, Our Census, Our Future. Census Commissioner of India C. Chandramouli. First census in British India was given under Lord Mayo 1872. First census after independence was 1951 census. 1951 census literacy rate and sex ratio was 18% and 946 respectively. So 18% apunar literacy rate asile aru sex ratio apunar 946 asile. Ekhono apunak monot thobo because one of the most important census were after independence, that is the 1951 census. Regular census after every 10 years. এখন কথা কোনে কৈছিলে? সো লৰ্ড ৰিপানে এখন কৈছিলে 1881 যে সদায় 10 বছৰৰ মূৰত আপোনাক সেন্সাসখন আমাৰ চেঞ্জ হৈ থাকিব. In 1951 census the population density was 382 per square kilometer. Next, after independence, the 2011 census was number 7th number census. Great dividing year amar konkhon asile 1921. Tar pisot census amar konkhon listot ahe, state concurrent or central listot. So central list will be your correct answer. The first caste based census was taken place in 1931 and the first economic census was undertaken in 1977. Next apunar, what was the sex ratio of India as per? So ami etia ইণ্ডিয়াৰ কথা ইয়াত ডিসকাস কৰিম. এতিয়ালৈকে আমি ষ্টেট, ইউটি আৰু ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট কথা আপোনাক মই কুৱেশ্যন জনাই দিলোঁ. এতিয়া যিমান কুৱেশ্যনছ হ'ব আপোনাৰ ইণ্ডিয়াৰ ওপৰত হ'ব. 2011 চেন্সাছত ছেক্স ৰেচিঅ' যোনটো আপোনাৰ আছিলে 943 ফিমেল পাৰ 1000 মেল. তাৰপিছত হোৱাট ইজ দ্য লিটাৰেচি ৰেট অফ ইণ্ডিয়া এজ পাৰ চেন্সাছ 2011 74.04%. এখন কুৱেশ্যনছ আপোনাৰ ৰিসেন্ট এক্সামত সুধিছে. সো ওৱান অফ দ্য মোষ্ট ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যন হৈ যায় আপোনাৰ এক্সাম পাৰ্সপেক্টিভত. What was the fertility rate of India as per 2011 census? 2.2. Who was assumed as in charge of Registrar General of India? So Mrityunjay Kumar Narayan. Fertility rate India 2001 census ki asile apunar 2.5. Jodi apunak 2011 census hude, so it will be 2.2, and in case of 2001 2.5. According to 2011 census, child sex ratio jodi apunak hude 119 per 1000. Child sex ratio in 2001, so it will be 927 per 1000. In case of SC and ST, comprises of 16.6% and 8.6% respectively in case of India, in case of 11 census. Next apunar, according to 2011 census, some important data are here. So ekhon data porao question সুধিব পাৰে আৰু ৰিসেন্ট এক্সামত এখন ডাটাৰ পৰাও কোৱেশ্চনছ আপোনাক সুধিছে. So India holds 17.5% of the world population according to 2011 census. Total population of India 1 to 1 crore. Male population jodi apuna khude 51.47, female population 48.55%, population of Hindu 79.8%, Muslim population of Muslim 14.2%, number of districts 640, number of town 7933, number of villages 640930. Male literacy rate 82.14%, female literacy rate 65.46%. so apuni hudibo pare je kenekua iman data ami monot thom. so eta approx data apunak monot hoboi lagibo because examot apunak ebila questions hoda examiner hude aru options apunar bahut gapot thake mane. so apunar eta approx data monot hobo lagibo. Next, so it was the last question. So share the video as much as you can and like and subscribe the channel jodi apuni etialoke like and subscribe kora nai channel. Aru moi previous ADR exam clear korisu, so etu examor mor idea ase aru moi bhabu je apunak moi jiman paru iman bhal content aru idea share koribo parim. so link apunak description ot disu. moi junto previous ADR ot jiman mor notes asile aru jiman moi video banaisilu mor notes or pora sob apuni pai jabo description ot. so please go and access the video aru mor jiman notun video choli ase Assam Direct Recruitment ba Assam Police or I button ot moi place kori dim. Thank you guys, let us meet in the next class.